Take two, action, and ready. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Doris and today is your first time being here. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my videos when I post them. If you've already subscribed and you're coming back, I know it's been a long time, but I'm back. And today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm unboxing my inventory for my business. So if you don't know, I started a business and it's called Doris Little Beauty. I don't know if you all can see this, but yes, Doris Little, and it's called Doris Little Beauty. Yes, so I sell eyelashes, lip gloss, accessories, necklace, customized necklace, and so much, and do-rags and a lot. So yeah, if you don't know about my business, I'll leave a link in the description box so you can check it out. We sell everything. I mean, not everything, but we have almost everything that deals with beauty and accessories, from AirPods, cases, to so more. So yeah, let's just jump straight into this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and give this video a thumbs up because so most of my things are from Amazon and most of them are already open because I had to check it and make sure they are right. So yeah, the first thing I got was this, and it's from Amazon. So I got this to take pictures with it for my business because I take my own pictures. So yeah, I got this, and yeah, I got this to take pictures with it because I used to have one and it wasn't like fluffy like this, so I got this, and I think this was like, I think $26. Yeah, it has to be 25, and then tax plus tax was like 26 something. So this was the first thing I got. I mean, this is the first machine, so this was it. And second is my labels and sticker stuff. So I got this from Amazon too, so I'm going to use this to print thank you stickers for my packaging and my thank you cards. So yeah, so if you want to see how I make this tutu, I'll be posting a video on it very soon. And I also got this because I was going to print t-shirts for my business because I got this to print t-shirt for my business, not to sell but for my friends, because we had an event and then I got this, so I print t-shirt, my logo on it, and I got this to print our labels for shipping, and all this are from Avery, and all this I got from Amazon, except this I got from Walmart, and what else? And my TKB, I got this from TKB. So this is my lip gloss. Okay, so this is my pigment. Let's see. It comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All this shit. So yeah, I'll be making pigment lip glosses. And my lip gloss base, which was bigger than this, like the last time I got it anyways. I got the bigger I got the 3.5. So yep, this is my lip gloss base. Let me put it back. Let me just leave it. I'll pack it up when I'm done. And this, oh, this is my eyelash tweezers. So yeah, these are my eyelashes. Okay, so I'll include like one to each any order I get for eyelashes. So this is how it looks like. So when you buy an eyelash from me, you get one of these, and you also get the eyelash one. Yes, I'll show you that later, but that one I already have it. So yes, so next on the list is my stickers. So this is my stickers and it's my logo. So this is my logo in the first place. If you don't know my logo, this is my logo. Yeah, it's me and Doris Lil B, but it's B stands for beauty. So this is my logo, my pretty ass logo. So this is my logo, and next is my lip gloss tube. So this is my tube. So this is how it comes, and I have a whole bunch of it in here. So yeah, this all is my lip gloss tube. And let's jump to this. So this is coconut oil. I got this big one because I'll be making lip scrubs. Yes ma'am, I'm gonna be selling lip scrubs. So this is my coconut oil, and yeah, and let's jump to this. These are for my lip oils. So this is my lip oil too. So let me get one out. So this is how it looks like, and it's a pink head, and it has the roller on there. So you can see. Let me just take it out. I'm just gonna use this for myself. So this is how it looks like, and it comes to this pink top. So yep, this is my lip oil tube. Oh, I haven't opened this one. Oh, my vitamin E oil for my lip stuff. So this is some oil. I'm gonna be putting my lip oil, my lip gloss, and my lip scrubs. So yes, that is mine. And let's go. So. Oh, then this is my lip gloss keychain. So I sell lip gloss keychains, and let me show you how it looks like. Now I have it on there. Yeah. So this is how it comes. So I sell pre-made lip glosses too, like stuff like that. So this box is just full of that. So it comes in different colors. And it comes in a love shape, like a love shape, and then a circle one. So yeah, that is this, and my lip gloss too. So I took one out. That's gonna be mine. So yes, I can show you. So this is how it looks like, and I put a my sticker on it. Oh wait, right here, right? Yeah. So this is how it looks like, and this is my lip gloss too. So. And then the vendor that bought the lip gloss to give me one free, yeah, if I like it. So yeah, this is all my lip gloss tubes, and yeah, so I got 50 pieces to start with. So yeah, so if you like this, purchase from me, and I'll be making a video on how I make my lip gloss tubes very soon. And now let's go to my lashes. So this is my lashes, and so it comes in a pink and yellow because I kind of like yellow and I like pink. Both of them are my favorite colors, so like, why not? So this is pink, this is yellow, and this is pink. So so this is Party Princess, and this is Crush. So I kind of have Crush on right now. You can see that. So this is Crush, and this is Party Princess. I'll insert a video of some of the styles I've already tried on, so you guys can see it. So these are my eyelashes. It comes in 6 different styles, and it's Belle, Goddess, yeah, Candy Eye, Crush, Party Princess. I think it's 5. Belle, Candy Eye, Party Princess. What's my phone? Belle, Candy Eye, Party Princess, Flirty, and Crush. Yes, and Crush. So it comes to 6 styles, and we have the most dramatic one we have is Belle, and the most natural one we have is Candy Eye, and that is like my baby. It looks so natural. I kind of already used this, so yeah. So this is how Candy Eye looks like. And this is how Belle looks like, or Bella. Yeah, Belle, not Belle, but it's Belle. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and this is my packaging. Kind of has my logo on it, and my Instagram information, my website, my email, my Instagram, and my Snapchat. So yeah, this is how it comes, and it's a bow, so you tie it up. Okay. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. So yeah. And these are my lip scrub containers. And they're kind of like a lot. These are my lip scrub containers. Yeah. This is how my lip scrubs are gonna be, and I'll be making a video of how I make my lip scrub. So yeah. So first of all, I just want to say this. I got this because I was like, I kind of need it, but I don't really need it. Because this is for filling lip glosses, so it's kind of like the cosmetic stuff to fill like stuff up. And I saw this on Mocha Beauty page, and she had this, and she was selling the vendor for like $50. And I was like, wait a minute. No, she wasn't the one selling the vendor for $50. Someone was selling for $50, but I kind of saw on her page, and I was like, if you get this, it's like you never have to buy no more pipette, no more syringe. So I'm like, why not? And I got this for $85 instead of paying like $1,000 something for it. Instead of paying $50 to get the vendor and then buy it. So this is it. I kind of put mine. And it has this lid on it. And it has like. So yeah, this is it. And I put my sticker right on it. You guys can see that. So I got this, and yeah, so I paid $85 for this, and I don't regret getting this because it kind of saves me money and time. Because the first time I made lip gloss, it was very hard for me because of the squeezing it. First of all, you got to put in the syringe and then squeeze it out to all the stuff. So this was like kind of easy because all you got to do is take your lip gloss, put it right in here, and then just pull this down, and then you have lip gloss. So first of all, this is mine too. Not sticker on it. All of them goes in, so I can know which one is mine. So yeah, I got this for $85, and if you're interested in the vendor, test me. I'll send you the link. I can't leave the link in the description box because I got it from someone. Someone has to be the secret because I worked hard to find this one. So just test me or DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram information, all my information is gonna be. And the rest is my business card. So this is my business card. So the phone just is kind of like number I got from. So it's kind of like a credit card expired, and it has my name right there, CEO, and my Gmail, Instagram, Snapchat, and it says thank you for shopping with us, and my website is like right up there. So yeah, this is my business card, and I'll be making my own thank you cards, so I'll post a video about that. Like, surely no, I have to get everything. So I haven't really launched my lashes yet, and I wanted to do a photo shoot before I launch them, but because of you all know what's going on right now, I can't do that. I mean, people are booking people to take pictures, but the person that takes my picture can't do that, and I have to wait for a minute because people have to be safe before you do anything that's gonna harm us. So yes, my lashes, I'll sell them before I really do the photo shoot. So yeah, it's gonna be on my, I mean, it's not on my website right now, but it's gonna be on my website on Monday. After you watch this video, it's gonna be on my website on Monday, which is gonna be on it's gonna be before Mother's Day though, on the 11th. So I mean, I'm gonna launch them on the 10th, which is Monday, which is Sunday for the Mother's Day, and then on the 11th, when you get it, you can purchase it. Not making sense. Yeah, so I'll be launching them on the 11th of May. That's when my lashes is gonna be on my website. I did say I was gonna launch them on the 6th, but due to some reasons, no, I'm not launching. So yeah, this is everything I purchased, and hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to know more or learn more, because I'll be teaching you guys everything I learned from my business. And yeah, so if you want to learn how I make my lip gloss, how I make my lip scrubs, how I'm gonna make my lip oil, subscribe so you can watch all this. And if you are interested in purchasing anything I sell, yes, you're welcome. I'll leave the link to it in the description box. And by the way, these are my customized necklace. This has my name. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me come to it. So this has my name. It says Doris, and this is just a D. This is in a rose gold, and this is in a gold, and it says Doris. This is everything I have, and thank you all for watching this video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I do hope you all did enjoy it as much as I did, showing you all what I have and how my business is going and the changes I'm trying to make for my business. So yeah, if you are interested in purchasing anything for my business, the link is going to be in the description box. And if you haven't followed my business page on Instagram, kindly do so I can, I mean, support my business. I know my first name. So support my business by following my Instagram page or purchasing from me. I will really appreciate it. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and see you all in my next video.